If you want a soft glowing skin, it isn't just about the kind of body lotion you put on your body, but more about having the right routine. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Sugar. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you a full body routine for a smooth, glowing and even toned skin. And now, first things first, the first step is cleansing, and this is where everything starts. You want to get a gentle body wash or a body soap. As much as you can, just avoid harsh soaps or body washes that will irritate and dry out your skin. The next step that is important but not a day-to-day activity is actually exfoliation. Now, as much as a lot of us like to ignore this, it is actually a thing. And I would always say typically, okay, that you should exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, but that is if you work in a mechanic workshop and you always come back home with stains of body oil, you're always laying in the dust or on the ground, okay, or in very muddy, slimy, dirty water. If not, honestly, you guys, from my opinion, from my thoughts, from my research, and from my experience sharing skincare with you in the last 2 to 3 years, I would say exfoliate 2 to 3 times every single month. What exfoliating your body does is that it will help you to remove dead skin cells from your skin and make your skin smoother and brighter, and not forgetting that it is also going to always leave your skin's pores open and clean so that your body lotions can penetrate better, including any other products that you use on your body like your body oils and the likes. So you want to use things like an exfoliating sponge if you need to do it every single week, or you get a good scrub or a body wash, better still, that is also exfoliating, that works. But you know that if you're getting a bar soap or a body wash that contains exfoliating ingredients, you also cannot use them every single day. You would have to alternate with another mild and gentle body wash or body soap, or rather bar soap, that is not exfoliating. But by all means, do not over exfoliate. And when I say do not over exfoliate, I mean do not use a glove sponge, for example, or an exfoliating sponge alongside a very heavy exfoliating product, okay, or product that contains very heavy exfoliating chemicals like lactic acid. What you'll be doing is that you'll be ruining your skin in the long term. Now, this particular one changed everything for me, and everybody I know, okay, and that I have heard of who have made use of this particular step without skipping it, have always said the same thing, that it has also changed the game for them, and that is applying your body lotion on a damp skin. A lot of us go into the bathroom, into the shower after taking your bath or having a light shower. You use your towel to damp all the water on your body until your skin feels like this. My skin is not damp currently, right? There is a difference. I wish I had water. I have little water here. Hold on, let's use this place. This skin here is damp and this is not damp. Can you see the difference? If I use a body lotion on this skin here, it is going to absorb better. This skin over time is going to get fresher and smoother as against this one that is dry. So you want to, by all means, leave your skin wet or damp at most, okay? If you feel like you're not very comfortable applying your body lotion on your wet body, just damp your skin a little bit, pat your body dry with your towel, and go in with your body lotion or your body serum if you have any. You also have a body oil, depending on what you're trying to achieve, or if you're trying to treat something on your skin, it is also safe to go in with your body oil at this point in time, especially if you're going to be using the sandwich method for the skincare treatments that you're trying to give to your skin. Now, after taking your shower and applying your body lotion, don't just go and put on your clothes. What are you doing? Don't do that. Don't do that. What are you doing? The next thing you want to do is to go in with your body oil. And now, why I like body oils is that they are not as expensive as sunscreens, okay, and some other skincare products where you literally almost have to break the banks. They are very, very affordable body oils that you can use for your skin. Now, what this does is that it locks in moisture, gives you that shine, and improves the texture of your skin over time, especially if it contains ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, or even glycerin in high concentrations and give you that really deep glow or shine that you want for your skin. Now, even if you had applied body oil first in the shower and then went in with your body lotion, you want to still cover all of that up with your body oil. And that is what I meant when I mentioned the sandwich method earlier on. Now, most people skip this particular one, and honestly I am also guilty of it, and that is skipping sunscreen. If you can't get sunscreen, the other day I was recommending Hatomungi sunscreen for a friend and also for a sister. You can get them, they are very good, they last long. I've seen people who said they use it and they got tired of even using the sunscreen because sunscreen no longer finish. So it is important that you apply sunscreen, especially on those parts of your body that are usually exposed or are going to be exposed during the day, like your legs, your hands, your necks, and your stomach, if your stomach is going to be open in that crop top. Yeah. And now the final and most important step, okay, that almost everybody skips all the time, and we just, you know, do whatever we want however we want it, is consistency. Any body lotion that you're using should go on your skin in the morning and at night. Always use your body lotions or your skincare product, your body care products every single day on your skin, and do not switch products often. I think I should emphasize this whenever I talk about consistency when it comes to using your skincare products. I'm not just talking about using a product for a long period of time. I'm talking about using one particular product, sticking to that particular product for a long period of time. And whenever you luckily or fortunately find a product that works for your skin, whether a body oil, a body lotion, a body serum, a glow oil, a body scrub, my darlings, stick to it until it goes out of stock, until it goes out of market, until the company folds basically. Or until you've used that particular product for at least 2 to 3 years, then you can, you know, switch it and, you know, make use of another product which will probably be better than that one. Okay, yeah. So if you stay consistently with this routine that I have just shared in this video, you will definitely see a difference in your skin. Let me know in the comment section what part of your body care routine do you struggle with the most, and why do you think that is. I am going to be offering you free help, free support, free advice and recommendations where and when I can. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that for more skincare and body care tips. Okay, like this video if you have not done that already. Share out this video to help us reach even more people. The goal is 5,000 subscribers, you guys, before the end of this year. And of course, till I come away next time in my very next pretty video, my darlings, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. You guys, my light, this light just keeps dimming the more and more. Yeah, this week, the more the sun is setting, the more the light is going down. Look, it's dimming. This light only stays max. I started filming around to 5, okay, just like an hour 30 minutes. This is crazy. I think I'm going to buy those bigger batteries, but oh no, I'm going to buy those bigger batteries and keep them and see if there's going to be any difference. Bye.